Howdy! We're going to talk about Salesforce. If you want to connect Salesforce to WordPress, this is the video for you to watch. We're going to talk about a deep integration when you can connect Salesforce to all your favorite WordPress tools, including wrangling up customers who have abandoned their carts through WooCommerce or easy digital downloads, how to send students direct messages when they've completed lessons or completed courses or failed quizzes inside of an LMS, and how you can run a private membership website through Salesforce inside of WordPress. So stick with us. We're going to be using WP Fusion in this tutorial to show you how to do it all. So the way that we'll connect Salesforce to WordPress using WP Fusion is by installing the WP Fusion plugin on the back end of our website. For a lot of the features we're going to be using in this video, we're going to need the pro version of WP Fusion, so you're going to have to get that over at our site, wpfusion.com. But there is a Lite version if you want to try out WP Fusion and some of the features we offer for free. You can find that on the WordPress repository if you go to Plugins, Add New, and look up WP Fusion. But once we have WP Fusion installed, we see a setup configuration under Settings, WP Fusion, and this is where we'll select our CRM. So I'm going to type in Salesforce and re-log into my website with my most secure credentials. And now Salesforce is connected to my website. You might have to log into Salesforce if you're not logged in on your browser, and you might have to log into wpfusion.com as well, but it re-authenticates your website and automatically installs that connection for you. It was really fast what you just saw, but it's really as easy as a click of a button and a few sign-ins and you are connected. So now that we've connected WordPress to our Salesforce Marketing Cloud, let's talk about 3 high-impact ways we can connect Salesforce into WordPress. And this will work with WP Fusion and all CRMs, but this might give you some ideas for connecting Salesforce in. Of course, there's a multitude of integrations you can make, so this is just a few. Abandoned cart tracking is something that comes with easy digital downloads, LifterLMS, WooCommerce, and a few other solutions. What this allows us to do is store a recovery URL within our CRM so we can follow up, we can send Salesforce the data from WordPress that says they abandoned the cart, this is the cart URL they abandoned, and then our Salesforce will handle sending them an email to get them back over to the cart to finish their purchase. We can also follow up on user activities, so if you're within an LMS like LearnDash, you can send students emails when they complete lessons or enroll in courses, and you can also store data in your CRM related to the last lesson the student completed, and then the CRM can follow up if they haven't completed a lesson in a certain amount of time, that they could get a re-engagement campaign from Salesforce. There's a lot you can do with LMS, but you can also do things with membership, even using Salesforce as a membership solution. WP Fusion offers the ability to restrict pages based on required tags. So you need a tag in Salesforce to be able to view a certain page. You can do that for as many pages or post types on your membership as you want. You can see we have all kinds of posts about how to create different use cases like freemium and paywall content, but content restriction can be done so many different ways in WP Fusion, and it allows you to turn your Salesforce Marketing Cloud application into a membership website. Check out the links we have in the description of this video. We have all kinds of useful resources, other recommended videos that we have, and how to get started automating your marketing with WP Fusion inside of WordPress. My name's Emily, and I'll see you in the next video.